with state workers with state careers. Over 92 families in the General Beadle Elementary School are on reduced or free lunches as part of that program to help those in need. News Center 1's Anna Zook takes a look at how some students are helping these families in a unique way.
The spring weather is finally here, and that's great news for students here at General Beadle Elementary. And it may not look too impressive right now, but right where I'm standing will soon be transformed into a lush garden where you will be able to find bright, beautiful flowers, some fresh veggies, even a few berry bushes. But what makes this garden so unique is that it's helping families in our area put fresh produce on the table.
You'll see like pink, orange, yellow, red and stuff, all kinds of colors.
As the snow starts to melt away, those are just some of the springtime colors that will start to bloom outside of General Beadle Elementary, thanks to some student gardeners.
It's a colorful place for them, it's a happy place for them, and it's something that I think they're really proud of doing.
Letting them take pride in a garden full of colors and fresh fruits and veggies is a way to not only get kids outside and trying different foods, but it's never too early to get the green thumb.
Did you know that plants have feelings? Like if you say, come on stupid plant, grow, they won't really grow that much. Yeah, also you gotta be give us nice stuff, like water enough.
And kids like Amarissa do everything in the garden, from picking out the seed to pulling the weeds to watering the flowers. And it's something organizers say gives kids a sense of ownership.
The students have taken the responsibility on this garden. We encourage them to come up on the weekends or in the evenings and bring their families.
Yes, we have wonderful volunteers. Yes, we have wonderful staff. But the kids have taken a passion into it, and it's their garden. They take care of it. It's theirs. And that's what makes it happen.
Over the past few years, the garden has evolved from being an outdoor classroom to a place that helps families in our community.
The garden started off more as educational, and then the produce started coming and coming and coming. And it's like, you know what? This can go right back to our kids and our families.
General Beadle Elementary has over 180 kids considered underprivileged, and the fresh produce from the garden goes right back to those families in need.
Our school is truly a community school. We want our families and our kids all to feel comfortable here, so we want them to know the produce that you see, it's your produce. If you can use it, you can eat it, please take it.
Last year alone, the food produced from this garden was handed out to over 60 families in our area. And because of the recent spring storms that made it through our area, they had to push back the gardening schedule. You saw some of the shots in that story with snow covering the ground, but they are hoping to break ground early or by the end of this week, and they're always looking for more volunteers, so we've posted all that information on our website, newscenter1.tv. Reporting live from General Beadle, I'm Anna Zook. Shad, back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Anna. And going from things that might end up in a